and you are well known for taking the same theory that I do, the A theory or the
Mhm.
presentism view.
Mhm.
So, do you want to just take some time to kind of lay out what do you think are some of the best arguments in favor of this view?
Well, I think that fundamentally, the best argument for the A theory of time is the presentness of our experience. It seems to me that we experience temporal becoming and the presentness of our own experiences, and that there is no defeater that would justify being skeptical about the fact that we apprehend the presentness of our own mental experiences. Indeed, it's hard to see how we could be mistaken about the presentness of our own experiences. And this experience of presentness is manifested in our language. Tense, as most of us are familiar with it, is a feature of language. And the attempt to remove tense from language inevitably results in loss of meaning. And I think that that is simply indicative of how deeply rooted in our experience this experience of the presentness of experience is. So it would be similar to our experience of the extra world. We have a powerful experience that there is a world of physical objects around us. And for that to be defeated, for us to be skeptical about the external world, you would need an enormously powerful argument that would defeat that experience. Now, if you think about it, the experience of presentness is even more powerful than your experience of the external world. For a while, you might be a brain in a vat and the external world be illusory. You cannot be guilty of having an illusion of the presentness of your own experience because you experience a change in the contents of consciousness, which is undeniable. So even the illusion of change would itself be changing. And so I think that the presentness of our mental experiences is even more real, more undeniable, and veridical than our experience of the external world.
So yeah, I do have a couple follow-up questions. One just real quick that's not on the list, just real quick. I'm kind of
Mhm.
curious when you mentioned about it's an experience type thing. Do you think it's kind of akin to an experiential knowledge, or would you say it's kind of grounded in a properly basic belief?
Oh,
Yeah.
I think it is a properly basic belief that is grounded in my experience of the presentness of my own mental experiences. Just as my belief in the external world is a properly basic belief grounded in my experience of the external world, so my belief in the objectivity of tense is a properly basic belief grounded in my experience of the presentness of my experience.
Awesome. Awesome.